support education. In fact, let me tell you that Watu wa Gusii, we have the best support from Parliament, you have the best support from the executive, and as the board of the county education, please go knowing that I want to urge our national treasury, the CS treasury, kidogo, priorities are to release government money and get to our schools. Ni hivi juzi tu tumepata pesa ya bursary, ndio tunangangana kuandika checks sasa. I am a government supporting MP. And on this one, I want to speak to the ears of the president. Because saa ingine wanampelekea hesabu gushi ya kumwambia tumefanya. I want to plead with our treasury mandarins to take matters education very seriously. Na nataka kuomba msamaha kwa sababu ya serikali, kwa niaba ya serikali hiyo pesa ifike. But I want to thank our principals and school managers for standing strong for our children, even without a timely release of capitation to your schools. I want to thank you, and please don't close schools mapema, kwa sababu hawa watoto tunataka wapate grade A. Naomba tu, if there is any way we can talk with our suppliers to keep our schools running for an extra few days, so that our contact hours with our students can be adequate to make them get me my grade A's. Nitashukuru sana na kushukuru. Kwa niaba ya watu wa West Bugirango, we are proud that we hosted the Regional Drama Festival which ended last week. And I want to urge you all to continue choosing West Bugirango as your destination for doing every activity. And I'm happy also to know that we all agree that ile shule tulikuwa